PayPal, one of the largest financial companies in the world, is making a major splash in the cryptocurrency industry and is providing services that will greatly aid in the expansion of Shiba Inu. If you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you own any Shib tokens, you can't afford to miss this video. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu Coin? What's new with PayPal and Shib? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Let's first examine the chart to see what the price of Shiba is doing on May 7th before moving on to our issue. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 2380 units, with $460 million worth of trade activity over the course of the previous day. Shib's price has decreased by 2.2%. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $14 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today now. Analysis of Shiba Inu prices. The appearance of a bullish wave indicates a 120% Shib rise. The cryptocurrency known as Shiba Inu, which gained popularity via memes, had a 7.5% price rise in May. The token had significant losses in April, which was its largest monthly decrease of more than 25% since the Terra ecosystem collapsed in May 2022. However, this comeback could somewhat offset those losses. World of Charts, a crypto and forks analyst, has taken notice of the strong start to May and, in a post on X, has projected a probable 120% increase for Shib, setting a new annual high of around 5,434 units if the coin can break out of its present consolidation phase. Technical analysis, including signs and flags. Shib's a tower chart shows a bullish flag formation, according to World of Charts technical analysis. This pattern usually appears after a significant price gain and indicates that the previous uptrend may continue. In the instance of Shiba Inu, the flag appeared when it began to decrease from its annual high of 4,567 units on March 5. The price action that followed settled into a declining channel with lower highs and lower lows. The main reason for the analyst's optimistic view is the possibility of a bullish breakout from this pattern. More signs lend credence to this optimistic view. Bollinger Bands are tightening on the daily time frame, a trend that often portends an impending price breakthrough, as was the case in February. Additionally, if the sheet closes above the upper Bollinger Band resistance at 2753 units, as well as its 20-day exponential moving average of 2426 units, that would be a strong positive confirmation. Additionally, Cowing Glass data shows that Shib's open interest has increased even if the volume of derivatives has somewhat decreased. This pattern, along with an increase in long holdings, points to a strengthening bullish attitude about Shib. Market dynamics, catalysts, and beyond technical analysis. Technical analysis is useful in identifying patterns and possible price moves for Shiba Inu, but it's also vital to keep track of larger market happenings that may have a big influence on the cryptocurrency. One such development is the cooperation that PayPal and MoonPay just announced. The goal of this partnership is to facilitate the purchase of well-known cryptocurrencies like Shib for PayPal customers in the US. Improving ease of access and convenience for prospective investors has the ability to stimulate demand and enhance Shib's market performance. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Coin of the Shiba Inu. Burn rate surges 4,000%, destroying about 81 million Shib. What comes next? the well-known dog-themed meme coin in the cryptocurrency space, Shiba Inu, has garnered a lot of attention once again. The cryptocurrency's burn rate increased by an astounding 4,000% today, May 6, a trend that has raised hopes for the token. Potential price changes for the coin. The coin seems to have bucked typical adverse market views despite a monthly price fall that Shib saw, with a stash of improvements to boost its cryptographic business. The token now trades mostly in the green today, reflecting the jump in its burn rate and recent positive market data, with the aforementioned development adding to its weight. The 4,000% burn rate of Shiba Inu. Everything is shown here. The tracker Shib Burns Insights show that in the last 24 hours, 81.64 million Shib were burned, which is a 4080-5.9% increase in the burn rate. With the intention of enhancing the token's future market dynamics, this move eliminates the supply of Shiba Inu on the market. Notably, the oversupply of the dog-themed meme currency is the main cause of its poor market performance. Regarding this, the above-mentioned change is a result of the Shiba crypto community's token burn mechanism, which firms Shib tokens to eliminate the supply. This has given Shiba Inu's future price fluctuations some hope. In this case, the token burn mechanism may cause a period of time where the token's price and demand significantly increase due to the lower supply, in accordance with the law of supply and demand. In the meanwhile, Shib saw positive trading in tandem with the increase in burn rate, supported by recent development initiatives. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Expert claims that since he knows what is next for Shib, he is stockpiling Shiba Inu. A prominent Shiba Inu supporter claims to have inside knowledge of upcoming Shiba Inu announcements in a recent post on xdelcrxdo. He claims to be completely aware of Shib's future and to know what is ahead. Accumulating that will continue for Shiba Inu in the future. delcrxdo, nevertheless, refused to provide this information. He added that in order to keep his connection with Shiba Inu authorities intact, he cannot divulge confidential information. Meanwhile, delcrxdo said that he has been steadily acquiring Shib tokens based on the privileged information he has access to in an effort to support his claim. In essence, he is putting himself in a position to profit from any profits that may occur from a purchasing frenzy once the knowledge is made public. In response to the announcement, several Shiba Inu fans also shared that they are still adding Shib tokens to their collection because they firmly believe in its future. One user said that in pursuit of the 1 cent goal, they had been buying Shib every day since last year. On-chain data, which displays a pattern of consistent network expansion, makes this tendency clear. Notably, Sandeman data shows that since March, addresses with between 10,000 and 10 million Shiba Inu coins have been growing. As of right now, there are 831,362 addresses on this list, minus 36,095 more than there were on March 5. A Shib sent Dream in particular during a concurrent conversation, delcrxdo restated the Shib 1 cent Dream in addition to the much-anticipated Shiba Inu advancements. He began by expressing his mounting annoyance at the lack of Shiba Inu ecosystem leader Satoshi Kusama. He implied that those who are uncomfortable with his quiet demeanor are either unfamiliar with Kusama's methods or have forgotten them. Yes, Kusama, the Shiba Inu, has been quiet for the last several weeks. When Shiba Inu announced that it had raised $12 million in a fundraising round led by well-known companies, including Animoca Brands, he made his last appearance on X. delcrxdo, however, emphasized that the Shib army shouldn't be concerned about Kusama's quiet presence. He said Kusama has shown to have an unmatched aptitude for analyzing market cycles and determining the best periods to launch products. The Shiba Inu community leader emphasized the Shib 1 cent Dream, saying, "This is always how he has operated." Within the Shib community, a common 1 cent fantasy envisions a day when Shiba Inu would cancel out 3 more zeros to trade at 1 cent. But according to the crypto basic, Shiba Inu may need over 20 years to reach 1 cent. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of Shib, many of our subscribers say that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comment box. Let's give the SHIB bearer credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.